Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to wish all the moms who are watching my video Happy Mother's Day, and I hope that all of you had planned something special to make your moms feel special. And second of all, thanks for all your love for subscribing, liking and sharing the video. So today I'm making something really cool for our mothers. It is really cool. Watch it. It's an eye. Then we fold it like this and open it again like this. Love you, Mom. It is so cool, right? So today I'm going to show you how to make this. So for this you need a square sheet, scissors, sketch pen, glue. These are very basic items that you'll find at your home very easily. So let us make it. First, we need to take the square sheet. Then we are going to exactly fold it in half. So you have to fold it very carefully. We have to open it again and put the half into a half. We are not going to cut anything right now. Let's do it on the other side too. Right, exactly in half. There. Now we are going to do one more thing like this. So we are going to fold it in the other direction and open it again and do the same repetition. Now we are going to open it, then fold it again in half, then fold it like this and cut this corner square. Let's take this scissor. Now we get a shape like this. You can use it as a face mask as well. So now here comes our old buddy, the glue. Let's open it. And now we have to put glue on these two corners only. So glue is done. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do like this. Take the other two corners and put glue on them. Now we are going to fold it like this. The other side. Okay, so we are done with the square kind of thing. So now we have done the actual part. Now let us move on to the designs. I have designed it with my sketch pens. See, I love you. You can even put photos or any small poems. And see, I wrote here Mom in a cute handwriting with lots of cute hearts. I love my mom. And now if you fold it again, I comes back. So you can repeat it and put photos and do so many cool designs. You guys will love playing with this. Even your moms will love playing with this. I hope you like this craft, guys. Like, subscribe and share. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Bye. Oh wait. We have the extra part. Okay, so we can make a booklet with it. See, I made a booklet. It's so cute, right? With so many pages. You can use it for drawing or anything because I love mini booklets. See you later, guys. Bye. Subscribe, share and ring the bell notification and like for sure. Bye.